student, now in this video we will learn some more questions about the chapter mensuration. We will do exercise on solid mensuration, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, etc. In previous video we have already solved so many questions, right? And the difference between the previous video and in this type of the questions, we will do the new type of the questions that is known as conversion of solid from one shape to another shape, from one shape to another shape. Now, what is the meaning of the conversion of the solid from one shape to another shape? Let you have a solid in this shape, that is a cylinder shape. Now this is the solid shape, it is melt and recast in the shape of sphere. So what do you understand by this conversion? In this we notice that if there is no loss of the metal in the conversion, then we will find volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Volume of this cylinder will be equal to volume of this sphere if solid melt and recast into the sphere, if there is no loss of metal. So we notice this point, then on this topic we will do some questions. Now start the questions. Now let us see questions here according to what we have learned, that is, if a cone, let a cone is given and height of the cone is given h equal to, let it is given 24 centimeter, and radius of the base is 6 centimeter, let this r is given 6 centimeter. And what happened, this cone is made of for molding clay. Now a child reshapes it in the form of sphere. What happened? This is change in sphere. Okay, so now if we change this sphere, what is the radius of this sphere? Now you understand this question. It is a clay in the shape of the cone, height is given 24 centimeter, radius is equal to 6 centimeter. A child wants to make it a sphere of what radius? Okay, so the volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. Volume of cone equal to volume of sphere. So what is the volume of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This r, let r. Okay, so you have to find the radius of a sphere. Now solving these equations you can find, so value of this, cancel out this and put the value of radius here, 6 into 6 r square into h 24, that is equal to 4 r cube. So you can find the value of r cube, 4 6 are, therefore r cube equal to 6 cube. So you can notice that r equal to 6. Now we understand if it is centimeter, so these all should be in centimeter, so r is equal to 6 centimeter, and it will be your answer. So I think you understand this type of the questions, right? So student, we understand this type of the questions. Now we will do some more questions. Now start. Okay, now next question is now let us read it a questions. then I will explain this. That listen carefully. Salvi's house an overhead tank in the shape of a cylinder. A tank is in the shape of cylinder. In a house there is a cylinder type of the tank. Then this is filled by pumping water from a sump and underground tank. Okay, this is filled by a pump. Okay, this tank we have to fill, which is in the shape of a cuboid, and there is a pumping water is in the shape of a cuboid. Right? The sump has dimensions 1.57 meter and 1.44 meter and 95 centimeter. So you have to learn this unit. This centimeter, it is meter, and it is meter. So if you know the meter centimeters, then you can change very quickly. All the units should be same. So now the overhead tank has the radius 60 centimeter. The radius of this tank is given r equal to 60 centimeter. Now look here, it is centimeter, and height of this is 95 centimeter. Right? Find the height of the water left in the sump after the overhead tank has been completely filled with the water from the sump which had been full. Now if this is full water, compare the capacity of the tank with that of the sump. Compare the capacity of the tank with the capacity of the sump. So what we have to do? We have to use pi equal to 3.14. We have to use pi equal to 3.14. We have to find the height of the water left in the sump after the overhead tank has been completely. Okay, so now what we have to do? Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, and volume of cuboid, that is lbh. Okay, so now the question is, the volume of the water in the overhead tank equals the volume of the water removed from the sump. Now water is pouring here. Okay, so this volume will be decreases from this volume, so water level will be down here, isn't it? If water this pure here, so this volume will be decreased from this, then water level will be down. Okay, so now what is the left water? So left water in sump equal to water in sump minus volume of cylinder. Okay, so now you can understand that is equal to water in sump is equal to lbh, and minus volume of cylinder is pi r square, and this h, let this is height h. Okay, Now you want to find the volume of this left water. So we can solve this. Now LBH is equal to, we can put here, so we will find that is length is given 1.57 meter into breadth is 1.44 meter into height is 95 centimeter minus pi is 3.14 and radius is given 60 centimeter. Now you can see that what is the radius and height of the cylinder. Right, so 60 centimeter is radius, that is 60 square pi r square, and height is 95 centimeter. So now you can solve this way. 57 centimeter into 144 centimeter into 95 centimeter minus 3.14 pi into 60 into 95, so answer will be in centimeter cube. You can solve this multiplication and division, isn't it? Okay. You can solve this, but before solving this we can understand, if you take the common 95 and something from common this here, then you can solve easily, right? If you take the common some value, then you can solve this easily. So student, now after solving this, what you get here? Now we can solve here. Let here is 100 and 20 you can cancel out. Okay, now half of this is 157, taking the common 157 into this 95. Okay, so what we left here? Here is 144 minus 2 into 6 into 6. So we left here this way, 157 into 95, and you can solve this. 144 minus 72 equal to 157 into 95 into 72. This minus is equal to 72, right? So this is the left water. Now what we have to find? We have to find that now in this tank, when the water is outside, so what is the left height? This x you have to find out. So length is 1.57, 1.44 meter, that it is x. So this volume equal to that volume, and then we can say x into 157 centimeter into 144 centimeter equal to what we find, that is we left in the water, that was 157 into 95 into 72, 157 into 95 into 72. Now we can solve this. So we get x equal to 95 by 2 centimeter. It means it is 47.5 centimeter. So we can say left height is 47.5 centimeter. And now we have to find the ratio. Capacity of tank upon capacity of sump. Sump is in the cuboid shape, and this is 3.14 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95 meter upon, that is we are talking in meter, 1.7 1.44 into 0.9 meter. You can cancel out and you can see the ratio is 1:2. So this will be your answer. Okay, so this type of the analysis you can do so many questions. Okay, now we will do one questions more. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. Now listen here. A copper rod is given and it is changed in a wire. So it means volume of this cylinder equal to volume of wire. Wire is also in cylinder shape. A copper rod is melt, okay, and we take it in a wire. Wire is also in cylinder form and copper rod is also in cylinder form. Let diameter of 8 centimeter is height or length, and diameter is given 1 centimeter, and this is changed into the wire, and let the length of the wire is 18 meter. Unit you have to check out. It is centimeter and it is meter. Find the thickness of the wire. Thickness means diameter. So let this diameter we have to find out thickness. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square. Okay, is h is 8 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter, 1/2 centimeter. Now it is in centimeter all, so we have to change also in the centimeter. Similarly, pi r square. Let d is in, we have to find in centimeter. The length of this wire is 18 meter, so 18 into 100 centimeter. So this is centimeter cube and it is also in centimeter cube. Now we can solve this and we can find the value of d. Then we can find the diameter. Okay. So you can solve this. So let's solve it. Pi is cancelled. Then 8 upon 4 into this 4 upon 1800 equal to d square, isn't it? 4 multiplied here, 1800 divided by here, this 4 is cancelled. So now divide is using 8. You can find out that 4 2 ja 4 4 5 0. So we get d square equal to 1 upon 2 to 5. Okay, so now d equal to 1 upon 15 centimeter. Now it will be your answer. Okay, so student, you can change this type of the questions right? You can better understand the questions. Now I will talking about the next questions here. Now I will take the question of frustum of the cone. Frustum of cone. And what is the frustum of the cone? Let here is a cone. In the previous video, at the last, I have described somewhere. We cut here this. What is this shape? This is known as frustum of the cone. Okay. How you can solve this type of the questions? Using similar triangle, we will find the ratios. Then we will solve the questions. Okay. Now, if we take the radius of this big cone is capital R. Now, let this is height h. Okay. Now, if we take the radius of this is small r, draw the perpendicular here and we can find let this height is k. Okay. Then if this is r, this will be r, then this will be r minus r. Okay. And if this is k, then this height will be h minus k. Okay. Let this is y. Okay. Let this is L. Let this is capital L. So now, using the triangle, in this triangle A, B, C, triangle A, B, C, similar triangle P, D, C. Now we can take the ratio of h upon k equal to this h upon k equal to capital R upon this r minus r. And also in slant height capital L upon this small height y, right? And also we can use this triangle AMN, triangle AMN, similar triangle we can take NDC, AMP, it is the given name P, so don't write again. So AMP, and similar triangle PDC. Okay. So we can take this ratio h minus k upon k equal to small r upon capital R minus r equal to small l upon y. Okay. Now also here we can use the Pythagoras theorem, so we can find y equal to under root k square plus r minus r square using Pythagoras theorem. Now using this ratio, if we want to find the volume of this frustum, so this volume, from this volume we have to remove this volume, and you find two curved surface, so this curved surface we have to minus this curved surface. So first we will solve the formula using this. Okay. Now volume of frustum equal to volume of big cone minus volume of small cone. What is the volume of big cone? 1 by 3 pi in the previous figure, radius r, height h, minus 1 by 3 pi radius r square, height h minus k. Now we will change this h using that ratio. In the previous ratio you can see h equal to kr upon r minus r, h minus k equal to kr upon r minus r. Okay, so we can use here kr upon r minus r minus 1 by 3 pi r square k small r upon r minus r. Now taking the common 1 by 3 pi k upon r minus r, that is r cube minus r cube. Now using this formula we can find the volume, and we can simplify also this formula this way, that if we factorize this, now r minus r square plus r into r plus r square in factors. You know this formula, aq minus bq, a minus ba square plus ab plus b square. If you don't know the formula of factors, so go through my videos in factors in the playlist. Okay, then you can go through the factors. So now this is cancel out, right? If you don't know the factor, you should be learn the factor. Now what is the formula left? Volume 1 by 3 pi k and this formula. So volume of the thruster is volume of thruster of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi k into r square plus r into r plus r square. Okay, now we will talk about the surface of cone frustum. Then that is the surface of big cone minus surface of small cone. Okay, so what is the surface of big cone? That is the pi r l minus small cone pi r l. You can see in this figure. Now this is pi r l minus pi small r l. Okay, now from this value ratio, using this ratio, we can find again that formula in the terms of y and in terms of r. Okay, so now we go through here. We can put here, if we take the, we know the value of r, but we don't know the value of capital R, and also we don't know the value of small r. So what is the value of put v capital L in the ratio of, that is r into y upon r minus r. From where we are getting this? Now you can see this value from here, capital L equal to ry upon r minus r, small l equal to ry upon r minus r. Okay, so we go through again. Now we can see here, we can take the common, that is pi y upon r minus r. We can find here r square minus r square. Now factorize this, we can find the value of pi into y into r plus r. So what is the formula of curved surface of the first term? But we got it at the last. What we got it? We got is surface of first term of cone, that is pi into y upon r minus r into factor r plus r, r minus r. So this is cancel out. What we get here? Pi r plus r into y, and we know the value of that is y is under root k square plus r minus r square. And again we are describing this diagram. The height of this is k, and this is capital R, and this is small r. These three values we have to use doing this type of the questions. But how you can got it? So you have to learn it. Okay. Now if this base is given, then total surface you want to find, add this one and this one. If this base is also given, then you can add this one to this one. Okay. This area is pi r square and this area is pi capital R square. It is a circle. Okay. So if we use this, then we can add this here. Okay, question. So student, now we can solve so many questions on this frustum shapes. Okay. So we have to do some questions. One more questions. Let's do one questions here. If any time the ratio is given, then you have to draw all the questions, then you can do it. Now we will do only one questions of these questions. Let us, here is a funnel. You have seen the funnel anywhere? This type of the funnel? And this type of the cylinder here? Okay. This is the cylinder. This type of the funnel you have seen? Yes. Okay, this is diameter is 18 centimeter is given of this funnel. Now this total height is 22 centimeter is given. Okay, this dia is given 18 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Okay, this height is 10 centimeter. Now what is the question is, an oil funnel made of the sheet consists of a 10 centimeter long cylinder portions attached to a frustum of a cone. Now this is the frustum of a cone. Okay, if the total height is 22 centimeter, diameter of the cylinder portion is 8 centimeter, and the diameter of the top of the funnel is 18 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make the funnel. So this area we have to find because it is a hollow. It is hollow. Okay, so this area you have to find. The total area equal to surface of frustum of cone plus curved surface of cylinder. Okay, so what is the area of the frustum of the cone? We have noticed the formula directly. What was that formula? You can notice the formula from here. Pi r plus r under root k square plus r minus r square. Okay, this is the surface area we have to notice, right? So now using this formula, pi r plus r under root k square plus r minus r square. Now plus curved surface of cylinder, that is 2 pi rh. Now let this is small r and this is capital R. Cylinder radius is small r, so 2 pi r, and let this is h, then this is h. Okay, now this height is k, this height is k. So now put the value of here, and now you can solve it. Let us start the putting the value of here. Pi, what is the value of r? That is 18 upon 2, 9 centimeter. Now what is the value of small r? That is 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. Now under root. What is the value of k? K is 22 minus 10, that is 12. Okay, so 12 square plus 9 minus 4 square plus 2 into pi. What is the value of small r? That is 4. And what is the height of cylinder? That is 10. So now you can solve this. Okay, pi into 13 into solving this 12 square plus 9 minus 4 5 square, that will become 169. Then 113, 9 pi into 13 into 13 plus 2 pi into 4 into 10. So what we get here? We get here the value is, that is pi into 13 into 13, okay, plus 2 pi 40. Now after this you can solve yourself. Okay student, take the pi common and taking cancellation and adding you can solve. The unit will be in centimeter, so answer will be in centimeter square. You can solve this yourself, I will not solve it. Okay, using pi value, any value 22 upon 7 3.14, you can solve it. Okay student, so now student, this way you can solve so many questions here in this video also, but it is not the least. You have to solve more questions from several books. Okay, if you will be to practice first this type of the question what I have explained, do this question so many times, then do other questions. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with the next topic. Thanks for watching. Thank you.